Welcome! Today I'll be reading the story Little Mouse Has a Busy Day. Off we go! Wake up, little mouse. It's time for a busy day. At 8 o'clock, little mouse has a wash. At 9 o'clock, little mouse has breakfast. At 11 o'clock, little mouse does his shopping. At 1 o'clock, little mouse washes his hands ready for lunch. What a good idea. At 2 o'clock, he has a little nap. At 3 o'clock, little mouse feeds his goldfish. At 4 o'clock, little mouse's friend comes to tea. At 6 o'clock, Mouse is tired after his busy day, so he has a bath and gets ready for bed. Sleep well, little mouse. And that's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed listening to it. Bye-bye.